Welcome back again, and we are in play. Yes, this is part 3 playing, and Ivan is stuck in a chair waiting for someone spelling R-U-N. Ivan, I'm black. Pare, I'm turning black. There's something wrong with me. I'm lost, bro. Pare, there's a chair. Bob Ross.
I found Captain Clark's spawn.
Oh, her. Oh. You cook. Pare, there's more chairs.
Tulip. Oliminal home. Tulip.
Yeah. Wait, this is from the movie.
Like, you repeated that same line as in your last video, bro.
Sino yan? Sino yan, ah? Look, this is from the movie. Bob Ross. Wait. Oh, it's just a cut.
Wait, Bob Ross.
Okay. May kita mo sa video. Just wait. Kalbo. Oh! Dito yung oh. Shoot. Parang may aircon sila. Nakatakot. May aircon sila, pre. Pare, I found food. What they got? What do they got? Butterfingers. Yeah, Ivan, gusto mo ng butterfingers? Wow! Wow, ganda ng odds. Nice.
Let me take the screen. Hold on. Let me get the 2 POBs.
Yeah. I'm going in. That's what she said. Wait, whoa.
Wala man siya game boy.
Boss battle.
Ano?
Yeah,
Lag.
am I gonna die?
Lag.
Are we cooked, guys? Are we cooked? Why is my screen so shaky? Screen ko ang sobrang shaky.
It was my school, boy.
Like, oh, pare, mas ma-worse na tae mo. If I see a hippo, I'm gonna say, yo, par, it's you. Wait lang, I can't even see anything. Parang nag-earthquake, it's the big one. Sa'yo ang bright, sa akin I cannot see. I can't do this anymore. Kaboom. Kaboom. Kapow. Then, rest in peace, man. Yo, there's a door. Yeah. Oh, it's a fake. Yo, Ivan, I found the one from the movie in. Wait a minute. There's a vending machine. There's a vending machine over here. Ivan, gusto mo ng butterfingers, hot Cheetos, ano? There's a vending machine in my.
Man, take a picture those two.
Yala, nag-fit pic si Ivan.
I want to take a picture those two.
Wala, nag-picture ng fit pics. Si Ivan naman, oh.
Yeah.
Fit pics. Yo, what's up? Where are you? I swear, if Captain Clark's turned black, wait. Captain Clark's! Ang lag! Oh, shoot. Guys, meet Rex. Rex, meet the viewers.
in the call?
Yes.
Working ko?
Bro.
Gaming ko? Wait.
Why?
Where am I? Where am I?
Where are you now? Dun, dun. Yo, guys, am I dead? Hey, chat, am I dead?
Nag-live stream ka isang taon na nanonood.
Okay, guys. I'm gonna poop. Just kidding. Captain Clork? Gigidi gigidi gu? Captain Pupu? Captain Pupu? You look like Pupu.
You can see someone on Bob.
There's a black man chasing. There's a black man chasing me. I'm not gonna bend over. Ivan, one of your friends is chasing me.
What?
He wants to tickle my feet, he says.
I cannot hold them. Oh,
Michael, don't leave me here. Para may kalbo.
am I? Oh.
I'm just... Oh, whoa.
Like the basement?
Wait a minute. Duct tape.
Is that people to
Oh. Ah, shoot! Kainis ka, Igor. Para meron tayong kasamang random. Nagulat ako. Nagulat rin ako nang malaman nang umutot ka pa at sandali lang. Huwag ka munang magsalita. Ivan, run! That
Ay.
isn't normal. It's an entity. Kalbutism.
What do you mean?
Kalbutism si Ivan. Guys, look at this guy. Look at this guy. He got stabbed 25 times. So tough, right, guys? So tough.
I'm the player.
Kalbo. Par. Mimics. Remember sa update, may mimics.
Tani Bondo's literally a player. I don't know that
I
guy.
will gigidi you until you gigidi. Ah! What's happening? What's happening to my screen?
Pupulin yung pupulin ka Undertaker.
Am I no? Backrooms na backrooms. Baka nagdodroga yung character ko, pre. Ano to? Nasaan ako?
Nasaan ako?
Pare, nagdodroga yung character ko. I see sunshine and I see darkness.
Mama, take a picture of this guy.
Pare, my character is so black.
Ano to kumash chest?
Run, he's faster than you.
Yo, Sunnybun, you good, bro?
Pare, he's faster than you, run. Nakita ko yan sa isang... Nakita ko yan. If you watch my other video, you know what to do. Pare, kalbo ka. May bagong room, sir.
Hey.
Hala, si Ivan.
Imagine we just start running after.
At ngayon,
Hilarious.
Turun. Nakawala ang turon sa kanyuman niya. Ivan, nakawala yung turon. Where am I? It's so dark. Even my flashlight ain't working. if my flashlight
Ah,
cannot
Meme.
work, pag hindi gumagana ang flashlight mo, takbo ka na kasi horror game to, hindi lang to normal.
Dan, wala may... Somebody... All my friends... Who I don't
All my friend is toxic, all the vision. Weh, umikot lang ako. Parang bote. Ay, shoot may itim. Oh, si SpongeBob. Speedy Boo.
Hindi di ba?
Speedy Bob.
Very good.
Yo guys, edit Ivan.
Okay, Dan.
Do anything that you can do.
Mali, random pop sa random video.
Para may bola. May bola dito. There's balls in the house, bro. Balls in the house, balls in the house, balls. Yo guys, if you see this, you see it.
Oh my God.
Akala ko tao. Gara na trick na naman ako for the second time. Wait, is that girl? Ah! Yo, Ivan, saan ako? Oh no. I'm in a blue house. Ivan, kiss mo nga yan. Kiss mo nga yung crush mo. Kiss mo. Pare, si Anto nag-join. Hey, what's up? Hello. Catch a pretty accent. Napal may Bluetooth. Stop. Dinosaur. Dinosaur. Pre. To the left, to the left. Pare. Nag-join yung friend ko.
Oh, yeah, light flickering. Thank you. Mama, dito ko lagi. Oh, no. Oh,
Ang daming butas. Pare, ang daming butas. Saka nagsishake-shake yung camera ko. Paano ako makakataan dito?
Gusto ko may screen, bro.
Pare, ako nga rin. Ang daming...
Why did like this?
I don't know. Baka
Go kasi.
So tough. Kalbo Ivan. Ivan, matutuli ka na. Si SpongeBob nagkikis. Pare, nagkikis si SpongeBob. Tulong. Naalala ko siya. Nawawala yung pachinchin niya.
Yeah.
Wala na yung pachinchin ko. Si Anton.
I'm talking first person, bro. Oh!
Wait lang. Sandali lang.
Ano ganyan?
Kalbo ba siya? Yo, painting again.
Daming cook.
Par, I found something in the movie too. In
Daming cook. Ottoman Empire.
be careful. Clark will touch you.
Yo!
Pare, may TV! May TV! Pabukas! Nuno daw ng Cocomelon.
Ano going down there?
Anong sinasabi mo? Pare, alam mo yung sa movie, yung mga bahay?
Ayo!
I'm in there. Plus, I am in the Christmas tree thing.
Uy, nako naman Empire.
Baka na dyan si Clark. Baka na dyan si Clark. Nagtutwerk-twerk siya. Ay ba, tulong. Nagtutwerk-twerk siya.
Wow. I mean the Ottoman Empire.
Pare, nandito si Clark, yung entity nga. I mean, yung life form. So, sorry. Life form. Baka mainis yung mga fans. Yung mga nagnonood dito. Pare, nasa Christmas tree siya, nagtutwerk. Ano gagawin ko kay Captain Clark? Nagtutwerk siya sa Christmas tree. Merry Christmas gift? Christmas gift ko yun, oh. Ano yun? Ano yun? Christmas gift ko? Pupunta pa ba ako doon?
Enter boy.
Okay. Enter the boat. Taba na doon.
Enter
Captain. Captain. Captain na walang Clark. Captain. Calborino cappuccino. Guys, at ito na yung special na specimen na nasa isang habitat niya kasi namimiss na niya ang asawa niya. At tignan mo yung paa niya, wala siyang isang paa. At yung ulo niya, bakit wala? Bakit nawala na yung ilaw dito? Ano nangyayari?
Magbabag to.
Captain Clark, okay ka ba? Lasing ka na ba? Parang yung movie, lasing ka na mayroong anger problems. Yo, par, may sofa dito. So tough.
Go down.
Let me open the door.
When it's so bright.
Buksanin, kuya. Wow, nahanap ko yung nasa movie rin, yung... Wait a minute.
Wow.
Yung... Alam mo yung kitchen? Nahanap ko. Is Captain... Oh, alam ko na bakit na dyan si Captain Clark. Ay, ban, gusto mo bigay ko ikaw si Captain Clark? Nagtutwerk pa. Alam mo yung Santa Claus na nagtutwerk. Alam mo yun, yung Santa
You want this room? Tell me anything. Welcome to Black here. Oh?
Yo guys, I think sira si Captain Clark. Lasing na siya. Baka dami yung nainom niyang gatas. Shoot! No, Jandel. Okay ka lang, pre? Bakit wala ulo mo, pre? Ikaw nga, kunin mo yung kamay ni Captain Clark. Kiss mo siya. Kiss mo siya, kiss mo. Huwag ka sumayaw, kiss mo siya. Ano yan, hawak mo ang beat? Hawak. Nagsasayaw siya.
Where are you? Where are you?
I'm dancing with Captain Clark.
You're clapping Captain Clark?
No! I'm dancing with Captain Clark. I'm not clapping. Wait a minute.
I thought you were clapping Captain Clark.
Yo, gusto mo?
What the hell, bro?
Yo, is Captain Clark good? Is he on drugs? That's my question. Is he on drugs? That's my question. Family friendly.
Brother, what is this, brother?
Brother, touch him, come on. Oh, he touched him. He touched his butt. Yeah. Ano
Hello,
nangyayari
brother.
kay Captain Clark? Nagkakamot lang siya.
Ano yung stupid comment na fucking brother?
Bakit may baril yung isa?
Ayaw, what a light. Someone chasing me. I will teleport out of heaven. Can you carry?
Go to him. Come on. Go to him.
Okay.
Pag naririnig mo ako, Captain Clark, bakla ka. Okay. Natapos na. Okay, wala siyang narinig. Babingi lang siya.
Oh? Oh, crush ka?
Captain Clark, gising ka na? Clapperino cappuccino? Hala, tinatouch niya yung puwet ni Captain Clark, pare. Hinahawakan niya yung puwet ni Captain Clark. Hala, nagsasayaw pa sa loob ng puwet ni Captain Clark. Anong gagawin ko dito?
I bet his name is for 1,000.
No, Lele. Lele 1,000.
Boy, for 1,000. That's what I'm getting the. You know who's getting the interesting stuff? I'm getting the interesting stuff.
Yoink, yoink, yoink. Para si Captain Clark lang. He is...
Captain Clark.
What am I saying? Clapton? Clap? Clap.
Captain Clark.
Pare, na-stuck na siya. Pangit ng gameplay. Na-stuck yung... stuck yung magandang entity pagara. Hinahawakan ko yung kamay niya, pre. Hindi gumagana. Baka patay na siya. Yung isa nga nagsasayaw sa loob ng puwet niya. Ano pa gagawin ko?
I will get to that.
Par, nakapunta ako kay Captain Clark sa puwet niya rin. Ivan! What did you do, Ivan? What did you do? I'm gonna hold to Clark's. See ya, bro.
You in the office, bro? Lag.
I'm gonna go to Clark's.
Back to work. Let's go. Shit.
Okay, guys.
Okay, let's go in third person.
Okay, Nandito na ako. Kay Captain Clark's.
Captain.
Lapu. Lapu po. Pare may CR. Pare may CR.
Guess what, bro? Guess what? I'm in the hotel, bro.
Ano yan? 5 star? 5 star? Pahingin ng room.
2,000.
Ikaw na naman, Lele. Bakla ka ba? Nandito na naman ako kay Captain Clark. Baka may Captain Clark na siya. Clapton. Clapton Hook.
Green light?
Come on, Captain Clark. Ang boring mo.
Di ba?
Sakalin mo naman ako. Ang lapit-lapit ko. Nasa loob ako ng puwet mo. Ayun o, nasa loob ako ng puwet mo. Ayan. Ayan. Ano gagawin mo?
Bro, the exit time, bro!
Pare, nandito si Captain Clark. Sige, magpupunta na ako sa iba. Okay. Si
Captain Clark, receiving power.
Yeah, guys. Ivan magiging magka-clap ng...
Oh, map. SpongeBob.
Wala akong SpongeBob, but meron akong sponge.
Ito, SpongeBob.
I'm SpongeBob.
Oh!
SpongeBob.
Alright!
SpongeBob. Luway,
Hey,
look at that.
yo! Hala. Yo, guys, you know, bro.
So, bacon.
Pare, nasa mall ako, magmumukbang ako dito eh. Nasa mall ako, magmumukbang time eh. Only rice please. Only rice. Pare, may Subway.
Diba? Surrendra.
May Subway. Ay, walang pagkain, inubos mo. May pizzeria. Ay, walang pagkain. Ikaw na naman. Inubos ng entity. Ayan. Pangat na yung pagkain. Where are you, bro? I'm in the mall. I'm Clapton Clark. Ano yan? Wala na yung Captain Clark's na store dito. Bakit nawala? Sa mall. Meron ng bago? Am I missing something?
So when you see a white form, bro, when am I able to actually like find his office?
Bro.
I'm going to get my
Person, bro. I saw
What is
it
that?
and it's Lily again.
I'm SpongeBob. I'm SpongeBob.
I'm in the office.
What? Ayo, okay. Office.
Also,
Go to Clark's.
move, Nick.
Naghawak ng puwet. Bye-bye. Kami. Hey, up when you fall, Jisong. I drop it to a pretty bomb si Manny. Kasi Manny. Let's go. Let's clap those Clarks. Oh, ankle break. Wait lang. Okay. I'm gonna go with you. Poopy Kirks.
I'm an aura farm, bro. I'm an aura farm.
When I see your D, I see your.
Oh.
Don't look back, bro. Naalala ko. Close your eyes. Ikaw kasi, but wait, para meron bago. Close your eyes. Ah! Sino yan? Naked guy? Bakit ba? Bakit wala siyang t-shirt? Wala siyang t-shirt. Wala siyang damit. Sino to? Entity ba yun? Ito ba si Claparoni Cappuccino?
Where do we go?
Home. Place to love.
Where are you? Bro, tinutugmit ka ako.
Kalbo. Kalbo. Let's go. Kalbo ni Ivan.
Pagod mo black dog. Oh, nagbulag ka.
Pare. May tae ka sa puwet. May bulati ka sa puwet.
Tawa.
Oh, ankle breaker. Pare, ano nangyayari? Par, is it only me or why the lights is closing open?
Ngayon, ito naman, boss. Hoy!
What? Ito, oh, umamu si mi Clapper. Ayun oh, si si Clapton Clap. Come on, touch him. Hey, disco. Pare, mag-flashlight ka. Tingnan natin anong brief yung ginagamit niya. Ah, we
He's
cannot.
wearing that.
He's wearing nothing, bro. He's.
Naked.
Ivan, come here, come here. Let's go dinner. Let's eat dinner, bro. Let's eat dinner.
That's so Bernard's tonight.
What? Par, where you going? Let's eat dinner, bro. Let's eat dinner.
Look at my phone.
Where you at?
I don't know, bro. Computer.
Slash TP, Ivan. Ang server si Clockin Clock. Boring. Boring update. Lagi napapastock si Clockin Clock. Parang may TV.
Alright, so.
Par.
Right.
Par.
Whoa.
Where are you? Wait. Where you at? Saan ka? Pre. Oh.
Who is this?
Ivan, is it only me?
Yes, I like people.
Oh. What's the meaning? Big black.
I don't know.
Oh.
Where are you going?
We're the same page.
Lag. Lag.
If you
Lag.
hear clapping, run.
Lag. What do you mean if I hear clapping run?
Clapping, run.
Aron tayo the music. I like the music. Ambient sound. I like it.
Okay, guys. At ito na.
Ano ba? Oh my God.
What is a dog? For some reason, there's a dog.
Happy burger.
Oh, it's a capybara. It looks like food, bro.
Oh my God. What do you mean, fool?
Asian instincts. I am so tough with the Asian. I am not even racist. But Ivan is black. Okay, guys. So, kalbo si Ivan, and that's the update. No, I don't know why it's kinda. You can no clip to walls. Wait. You see that, guys?
Oh, look, he just ran back.
Oh. But only some of the walls. Haha, some.
Come on.
Okay, let's open the flag. Bawa de boy.
Can't pick up his barang.
Ivan Kalbo.
Ano ba bakit hole? It's so fucking bad. No, I'm in level YouTube. I'm cooked. I'm cooked. I'm in level YouTube. I'm cooked.
How did you go to level you cheated? You didn't even cheat.
I don't know. found like a
Because you
there's a
black.
ladder. There's a ladder.
Oh, because you black. Okay.
There's a ladder. You go up it, there's like a hole. Then you go in it and then yeah, that's how it is.
Oh. You cook.
Ah, bro, it's not entity.
Yeah, bro, kalbo ka. Ah. Yo guys, the next that we're gonna play is... Wait, meron pa tayo lalaro pa?
Ah,
Meron pa bang mga magagandang
No.
games na hindi popular?
well, no.
Sure ka? Walang popular na game, walang hindi popular na games na maganda?
Wala akong maisip. Well, this is not popular. Goodbye. Nah, just kidding.
Kalburoni.
I don't know, bro.
Okay, devs, if you hear this, make another entity because Captain Clark isn't gonna do anything. Like, he's just twerking in one space only.
I just feel like tacos.
Yeah. Add the bacteria.
I don't know about that.
Add the smilers.
What the fuck? What do you mean?
Add the black people.
Getting dark. I'm hungry. With a snack or something.
Should I poop or should I fart?
Really funny joke, bro. Cool, bro. Yeah, goodbye. Okay.
Okay, guys. So like and subscribe and what the Arthur Morgan? Okay. A naked Arthur is just jumping around a mall. So be careful, guys.
And this is part 3, so you know, never know. I don't know. Bro. Maybe.
But still, we're gonna make videos weekly or daily. I don't know. But still.
I was gonna try to get the ball to play, so.
But if this video gets 18 viewers, yes, you hear me, 18 viewers, we're gonna clap Captain Clark.
Whoa.
Just kidding. We're gonna play another horror game if you want. What? Like any horror game if we only get 18 viewers. 18.
You will comment down to the video so we should play.
I swear, if you guys says The Mimic,
Again? Oh,
we
no.
already played it, right, Ivan?
Watch our part 1 and 2, please.
Yeah. But still, like and subscribe and peace out. Ano masasabi mo, Ivan?
That's it.